After watching this, you will never throw away eggshells. Most of the people don't know about it, but it is true that eggshells are very rich in calcium and is chemically identical to the calcium which makes our teeth. Eggshells have various health benefits. Health benefits of eggshells. Eggshells are the best natural source of calcium which easily absorbed and digested by our body. Half a tablespoon of eggshell powder contains around 1,500 grams of calcium. It is also rich in various minerals. Eggshells are beneficial for our gastric health and thyroid glands. Just crush the eggshells and mix with lemon juice and let the shells get softened, and then drink that mixture. You can also add the shells in the hot milk to treat ulcers. The calcium in the eggshells helps in lowering the cholesterol and lowering the blood pressure. Not only calcium, it is very rich in other minerals like zinc, copper, iron, manganese, phosphorus and chromium. We need enough amount of calcium for our teeth and bones. If there is some deficiency of calcium in our body, it can have a lot of effect on our bones and teeth. Just consuming eggshells will give you all the calcium you need because eggshells have around 90% calcium in them. So please, next time whenever you eat eggs, don't only eat it from inside but also use its shells for the various health benefits. Just want to say that never throw away the eggshells because you are throwing away precious calcium. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.